Meaning of dial.
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 Dial. Dial can have several meanings, but most commonly refers to turning a disc or knob to select a particular number or function on a telephone or other device. The resulting action may be the initiation of a phone call or the execution of another function such as tuning a radio station or adjusting a temperature setting. In general, dialing involves selecting between multiple options by rotating a physical component until the desired choice is reached, and then confirming or executing the choice through a subsequent action.